The digesters are holding steady at 200 psi. Fibers are beginning to separate now.
Acknowledged. Maintaining current temperature.
Inside the enormous digesters, carefully controlled heat and eco-friendly cooking chemicals break down the bamboo chip.
The brightness levels are looking good on this batch. Yeah, significantly better than the last run. Let's log it.
The washed pulp passes through vibrating pressure screens that remove tiny knots, uncooked particles, and large refining machines gently brush and separate the bamboo fibers to improve softness and strength. Thousands of rotating refining plates treat every. The refined pulp enters advanced oxygen and peroxide bleaching towers instead of harsh chlorine systems. Perfectly refined bamboo pulp is pumped into enormous stainless steel storage towers several stories high. Slow-moving agitators keep the pulp evenly mixed. The damp paper enters enormous press rollers that gently squeeze out the remaining moisture. Thick
A razor-sharp crepping blade gently scrapes the dried paper, creating millions of microscopic folds.
The first jumbo roll enters enormous embossing machines, where engraved steel rollers press elegant patterns into the soft paper. The third production line passes through specialized strengthening rollers that improve durability while maintaining softness.
Razor-sharp razor perforation wheels could create airline.
Even with this volume, the rejection rate is negligible. Look at the alignment data here.
Yes, the surface perfection metrics are excellent. Before the rolls can be finished, recycled paperboard is fed into giant spiral core-making machines that continuously produce strong cardboard tubes.
Soft bamboo tissue paper enters sophisticated interfolding machines, where every sheet is folded so the next tissue automatically pops up when one is removed.
Premium presentation meets premium softness.
The filled cartons enter powerful automatic sealing machines, where reinforced adhesive tape securely closes every button.
The inbound shipment from Chennai is arriving ahead of schedule. Reroute it to the high-density storage area.
Look at the efficiency metrics on the southeast quadrant. Unprecedented. Every road leads to a different customer. One factory serves countless industries. The products quietly become part of every journey. The factory reaches the skies. Fast-moving trains carry the factory's products across the country. Everyday travel depends on reliable supplies. The production story keeps expanding.
Get the water pallet loaded next.
Copy that, coming through.
Medical supplies are secure.
Used cardboard cartons and clean packaging waste arrive at a modern recycling facility. Sorting systems separate recyclable materials automatically. Back at the factory, leftover bamboo bark, chips, and unusable fibers are fed into a modern biomass.
Behind every soft sheet lies an enormous world of forests, machines, and precision manufacturing.
One factory quietly supports millions of morning routines. The journey has reached everyday life. Did you see the projections for this quarter?
Yeah, they look promising. We should discuss it in the meeting.
All right, team, let's double check the food courts. 50,000 fans are coming. Restrooms are stocked and ready to go.
Look at the throughput on the new line.
The autonomous delivery system has eliminated all bottlenecks in this sector.
If we adjust the microfibrillation, we might achieve the desired softness without compromising strength.
Let's run the simulation on the new samples immediately.
Quality specialists perform advanced softness, absorbency, and strength tests using precision laboratory equipment.
We did it! 1 million units! Amazing work, team.
Patience. The products simply do their job quietly and reliably. The factory remains unseen behind every moment. One manufacturing process supports countless moments of daily life. The connection feels effortless. The factory's impact is everywhere. One manufacturing process supports countless moments of daily life. The connection feels effortless. The factory's impact is everywhere.